Hello friends, today we learn about cell physiology based on the GPAT exam. Here mainly studied about cell junctions. Cell junctions are contact point between the plasma membrane of the cell tissues. There are 5 types: tight junction, adhere junction, decimosome, hemidecimosome and gap junctions. Application of cell junctions: inhibit the passage of substance between the cells, prevent the cell contact of those organisms from linking between the blood or other surrounding tissue. First of all, tight junction. Web-like strands, transmembrane protein that fuse together the outer surface of the adjacent plasma membrane to seal off passageways between the adjacent cell. It present stomach, intestine, urinary bladder. Applications: it inhibit the passage of substance between the cell and prevent the contact of those organisms from leaking into blood or the surrounding tissues. Adhere junction contain plaque, dense layers of proteins that inside of the plasma membrane that attached both membrane proteins and microfilaments of those cytoskeleton. Catharins, the transmembrane proteins. It's a type of glycoproteins. Catharin insert into the platelet part and opposite side of the plasma membrane and particularly across the intercellular space. Adhere junction offers to extensive zone is called adhesin blood. Applications are it helps to epithelial surface resist the separation during the various contractile activities when the food moves through the intestine. Decimosome contain plaque that have transmembrane glycoproteins. It is extends into the cellular space between the adjacent plasma membrane and attached to the other one to others. And decimosome plaque attached to the element of the cytoskeleton known as intermediate filament. It consists of a protein like keratin. Structural arrangements contributed to the stability of cells and tissues, and spot wide like junctions are called decimosomes. Decimosomes applications are many applications used in decimosomes and prevent the epithelial cells to separate under the tensions and cardiac muscle cells from pulling apart during the contractions. Hemidesmosomes. It is like a desmosome. Transmembrane glycoprotein in hemidesmosome are integral rather than the catharins. Integrin attached to the protein lamin which prevent the basement membranes. Gap junction. Membrane protein is called connexins. Form a tiny fluid-like channels which is called connexons connected to the neighboring cells, and smaller molecule diffused into the cytosols one to other, and the larger molecule cannot be transmitted to the cytosol, the protein which is prevented. Thank you friends. Thank you so much for the first cell physiology. Thank you so much. You can learn in another chapter. Okay.